Hey IdeaPlex fam, if you're into AI, video editing, or just creating cool stuff, this one's for you. What if you could generate an entire video starting with just a text prompt? Or turn a single image into a cinematic clip with smooth camera movement, animation, and style? Well, you can, and not with some secret billion-dollar tool. This is Wan 2.1, a completely free, open-source AI video model that just might be the best AI video generator the public has access to right now. And today, we're diving deep into what it can do, how you can use it right now, and why it could be the biggest shift yet in how creative video is made. No fancy hardware, no expensive software, just your ideas and a few clicks. Stick around because this is game-changing. Wan-Video is a powerful AI model developed by Tongi Lab at Alibaba. Think of it like Runway ML or Pika Labs, but open source and surprisingly powerful for something you can run on your own hardware or use online through their slick interface at Wan-Video. Their latest model, Wan 2.1, supports text-to-video, image-to-video, video editing, even stylized animated text rendering all in one system. And the best part, it's designed to run on consumer-grade GPUs, so you don't need a supercomputer to use it. What makes Wan different is that it's not locked behind a paywall, it's not trying to trap you in a subscription loop, and it's genuinely built for creators, especially indie creators, who want control, quality, and creativity without compromise. Wan-2. Wan first-class frame-to-video is an AI-based video generation technology that synthesizes intermediate frames between a given start and end frame to produce smooth videos. It leverages a 14B parameter model, supports multi-GPU accelerated inference, and offers pre-trained checkpoints with a Gradio demo for interactive testing. Applications include video in painting, animation production, and more. Wan 2.1 consistently outperforms existing open-source models and state-of-the-art commercial solutions across multiple benchmarks. It can generate a 5-second 480p video on an RTX 4090 in about 4 minutes without optimization techniques like quantization. Its performance is even comparable to some closed-source models. Wan 2. Wan is the first video model capable of generating both Chinese and English text, featuring robust text generation that enhances its practical applications. Wan delivers exceptional efficiency and performance, encoding and decoding 1080p videos of any length while preserving temporal information, making it an ideal foundation for video and image generation. Excels at generating realistic videos featuring extensive body movements, complex rotations, dynamic scene transitions, and fluid camera motions. Generates videos that accurately simulate real-world physics and realistic object interactions. Offers movie-like visuals with rich textures and a variety of stylized effects. Features a universal editing model for precise edits using image or video references. Wan 2.1 achieves significant advancements in generative capabilities through a series of innovations, including our novel spatio-temporal variational autoencoder, scalable pre-training strategies, large-scale data construction, and automated evaluation metrics. Wan AI is designed with simplicity in mind. Its intuitive interface allows anyone to create professional quality videos effortlessly, even without advanced technical skills. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform easy to navigate and use. Wan AI is versatile and capable of generating a wide range of video content. From dynamic scenes like dancing and sports to educational tutorials and historical video restoration, it empowers you to bring your creative vision to life. The video generation time depends on the complexity and length of your project. For faster results, the Pro version offers accelerated processing speeds, making it ideal for time-sensitive tasks. Wan AI provides extensive customization options, allowing you to adjust resolution, frame rate, movement complexity, and more. Tailor your videos to meet your specific needs and preferences. Wan AI primarily supports text descriptions as input for video generation. You can provide detailed textual prompts describing the scene, actions, and desired visual effects. Additionally, it may support image inputs for enhanced context in future updates. This isn't just a toy. People have been using it for short films, music videos, TikToks, and creative experiments, and the quality, it's genuinely impressive. Wan AI supports multilingual text inputs, allowing you to generate videos based on descriptions in various languages. However, The quality of output may vary depending on the language and the complexity of the description. WAN also lets you create dynamic videos with text prompts alone, great for stylized typography videos or AI-enhanced storytelling. The length of generated videos depends on the subscription plan. The free version may have limitations on video duration, while the Pro version supports longer and more complex video generation. Specific limits can be found in the platform's documentation. These technologies enable realistic visuals, smooth transitions, and accurate physics simulations. Wan AI is designed to handle complex scenes with multiple characters by analyzing the relationships and interactions described in the text input. Ready to try it yourself? Here's how to get started. Head to Wan.video and click Try Now button in the top right side. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a sleek, modern interface that introduces the tool with the tagline, "Imagine it, create it." The layout is clean, with the left-hand sidebar for navigation and a large visual header that showcases sample outputs. It uses advanced algorithms to ensure realistic positioning, movements, and interactions between characters. Everything is browser-based, meaning even if you're on a laptop, you can still start generating videos using their hosted version of Wan 2.1. On the bottom left corner of the sidebar, you'll see a purple login button. Click on it to either sign into your account or begin the sign-up process. If you're new to the platform, signing up is straightforward. You can typically use your email and password or opt for a faster login using a Google account. After you log in, you'll be redirected to your personalized dashboard. Here, you'll see all the creative tools at your disposal. The sidebar will let you switch between key sections: Explore, AI images, AI videos, and favorites. At the top of the main content area, you'll notice style filters like cinematic, portraiture, and heritage, which let you guide the AI towards specific visual tones for your content. There's also a small upgrade button below the login area if you want to access premium features like faster rendering or more credits. A helpful bonus feature is the daily reward pop-up that appears once you're logged in. By simply clicking to collect your reward, you'll receive free generation credits that can be used for priority access to both image and video generation. These bonuses reset daily and are great for testing new ideas or creating multiple versions of your content. Logging into Wan 2.1 is simple, and once inside, the platform is designed to be intuitive, even for beginners. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or someone exploring AI tools for the first time, Wan makes it incredibly easy to turn your ideas into cinematic video experiences. On the left side of the screen is the main control panel. At the very top, there are three main tabs: IMG2 Video, TX2 Video, and FX. The IMG2 Video tab is selected, meaning users can upload a starting image and the AI will animate it into a short video clip. Just beneath it, there are two toggle options: Frames and References. The Frames tab is selected, which means users can upload one or more images that will act as starting or reference points for the video. The TX2 Video section of the Wan 2.1 platform, designed for generating AI-powered videos purely from a text prompt without needing to upload any images. On the left side panel, users can begin by entering a description in the text box. On the right-hand side, a model selection panel is open. Wan offers three different AI models you can choose from. Below this text box is the Enhance Prompt button, which can help refine or strengthen the prompt automatically using AI to yield better results. Beneath the prompt area is the aspect ratio section. Here, you can choose from a variety of video frame sizes based on your platform or creative needs. Next, you'll see toggles for inspiration mode and sound effects. Inspiration mode is enabled in this image, which means the AI will take creative liberties to elevate your idea with stylistic improvements. Once your prompt, aspect ratio, and model are set, you can hit the Generate button at the bottom. It shows the credit cost, which indicates how many usage credits will be deducted to render the video. Try it for yourself at Wan.video and let us know what you create in the comments. Got questions? Drop them below and we might feature your prompt in a future video. And if you want more tutorials like this, Smash that like button and subscribe for weekly AI magic. This is IdeaPlex, bringing you the smartest tools, trends, and ideas shaping the creative world, and stay curious. See you in the next one.